Most people put off protecting their vehicle, but why? Want to know what you need to do to protect the look, functionality, and the value of the vehicle long term? Well, I would say start day one. Want to know more about that? It's a multi-stage process. Let me tell you about it. The most durable way that you can protect your vehicle is with paint protection film, also known as PPF. Then for added layer protection, you can apply ceramic coating on top to the PPF and the non-PPF painted surfaces. PPF and ceramic coating combined are going to provide a barrier to protect against rock chips, road debris, dirt, and grime, and other things to speed up the aging process. The next line of protection is ceramic tint by Autobond. Here, you're protecting not only against UV rays, but also heat. This will enable you to protect the interior of your car as well as your passengers. And let's not forget the interior, because we can provide protection here as well. Whether it be your seats or your fabrics, it may not prevent the spill, but we can sure make cleaning up a lot easier. While protecting our car is important, it's really about more than that. It's about protecting what you've worked so hard for. How does the peace of mind sound? At Divergent Elite Detailing, we are passionate about equipping those that are seeking to be the hero of protecting the look and the functionality of their automotive investment. How do we do that? Well, we do it with certified installers and 40 years of experience. We're booking 2 to 3 weeks out, and keep this in mind, your vehicle does not get a second day one. So book your new car Ultimate Defense Package today.
Ask how? Ask now. AskDivergent.com. So click the link to schedule your free 30-minute consultation.